Welcome to PureVPN's Top 5 Netflix Movies of the Month. Before we begin, we have a challenge for you. Win a free PureVPN subscription by listening to this audio clip and guessing what movie it's from. We'll reveal the answer in the next video.
Because I was looking through some old photos and it looks very, similar.
Okay. Well, I gotta get back to work.
You're trash, Brock.
Without any further ado, let's dig right in. At number 5, we have Big Fish. Tim Burton's bizarre family epic tells the story of the Bloom family as Edward recounts his life story to his son William through tragedy, love, and more. While on his deathbed, Edward recalls a series of fantastical stories as his son tries to separate fact from fiction. The Oscar-nominated film stars Ewan McGregor, Jessica Lange, Billy Crudup, Helena Bonham Carter, and others. Moving on to number 4, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. With some Wonka candy at the ready, Charlie and the Chocolate Factory is another Burton classic you'll enjoy streaming. This musical retelling is almost perfect, with a stellar cast at the helm. You must watch Charlie and the Chocolate Factory to prepare for the Timothée Chalamet-led prequel, Wonka, coming soon. The 2005 Burton hit stars Johnny Depp, Freddie Highmore, Anna Sophia Robb, Julia Winter, and more. At number 3, we have Kungfu Panda. Kungfu Panda will join the Netflix catalog this January. Ancient lore suggests that Po, a stumbling panda bear with no charisma or fighting ability, is the dragon warrior. This doesn't go down well with the other Kung Fu masters. In the meantime, Tai Lung threatens Po's homeland, so if he wants to live in the place he loves, he will need to stand up and fight. At number 2, Brazen. Brazen stars Alyssa Milano as a mystery writer whose thrills become real when her sister is murdered. It will be her skills that will be put to the test as she tries to solve the crime, taking paths as steamy and dangerous as those in her novel. Adding to the difficulty, the writer realizes her sister actually lived a double life as a webcam performer. Ignoring the warnings of a cool-headed detective about the case, Grace buries her head into the case to solve her sister's murder. Finally, our last pick is the Netflix original Home Team. Home Team is a feel-good sports comedy based on a true story. Kevin James plays real-life sports star Sean Payton, a suspended NFL coach who agrees to coach a wild youth football team to reconnect with his son. For him, they are quite the handful, but are they tougher than a league of professional athletes? Unlikely. This Adam Sandler-produced comedy stars Taylor Lautner, Rob Schneider, and Jackie Sandler, along with James. Before we go, let's reveal the answer to the audio clip from our last video. The dialogue belongs to the movie Home Alone 2: Lost in New York. That's all for today, folks. Enjoy Netflix's latest offerings. Subscribe to PureVPN and enjoy streaming your favorite content from anywhere you are.